If you run an event planning business in Australia, your liability exposure is shaped by the scale and nature of the events you produce. You are coordinating multiple suppliers, managing venues and public spaces, and creating environments where things can go wrong in ways that you may not directly control, but can still be held responsible for. Public liability is your primary risk, but the professional and financial risks of event planning also require coverage beyond a generic business insurance policy. Here is what cover event planning businesses need, what it typically costs, and how to approach comparing policies. Public liability insurance is the most important cover for event planners. It covers you for third-party injury and property damage arising from events you plan and manage. Guest injuries, property damage at venues, supplier incidents during an event, and claims arising from the event environment that has been created under your management. All of these are public liability scenarios. For event planners working on large events, concerts, conferences, or public gatherings, $10 million in public liability cover is standard, and many venues and councils require evidence of minimum cover levels before approving event access. Professional indemnity insurance covers claims arising from your professional advice and planning services, a supplier booking error that results in a client financial loss, a logistical failure that prevents an event from proceeding as contracted, or advice on a venue or format that results in the event not delivering the intended outcome. Event planners carry genuine professional responsibility for the outcomes of events they are contracted to deliver. And professional indemnity provides coverage when things go wrong in the planning and execution process. Event cancellation insurance covers the financial losses arising if an event is cancelled, postponed, or curtailed due to circumstances beyond your control. Extreme weather, a venue incident, a key supplier failing, or a force majeure event. For events with significant pre-committed expenditure, event cancellation insurance protects both you and your clients from unrecoverable costs. Equipment insurance covers any audio-visual equipment, furniture, signage, or other physical assets you own and deploy at events against theft and damage. Business interruption or income protection insurance is relevant for event planners for whom a forced business disruption, illness, equipment loss, or a business premises event would significantly disrupt their ability to service event bookings and generate income. What does it cost? Event planning insurance costs depend on the scale and nature of the events you manage, your revenue, and your claims history. Public liability premiums increase with event scale and attendance numbers. Professional indemnity and event cancellation are additional annual or event-specific costs. Work with a broker who understands events and entertainment industry insurance. Use the free business insurance finder at Reliable Business Tools to find the right cover for your event planning business. Answer a few questions and get matched with relevant options. No obligation.